Hello, friend. Today I'm bringing you a video about Azure Virtual Desktop prerequisites and process, actually. And one of the processes I'm going to demonstrate here adding a custom domain to Azure AD. And this is very essential and it's very pinnacle and very one of the process that required. Otherwise, we can use an Azure ADDS in here, but it's a different process and it's lengthy. But the one I'm demonstrating here is to have a custom domain registered for you to have it added to Azure Entra ID or Azure Active Directory. Currently, it's called Entra ID. So the way I have done it is I did have registrations with the registrar that the popular registrar is GoDaddy.com, and I have registered. As you know, my channels, I have to change the name to Alpha Sky Tech instead of Alpha Sky Technology has been changed also. This is because of some naming conventions that require the servers has to have a less than 14 characters in length. That's an also important here, and the domain has to have that, and that's what I'm actually doing here. So so for the process of doing so we can go to Microsoft Entra ID. So again, this is a process, and this is one of the videos of several videos I'm going to perform and publish about the Azure Virtual Desktop. This is this first step actually to add the custom domain. As you can see, I'm going to go here and click on add a custom domain, and it's going to ask me for the domain name. As I mentioned to you, I do have a domain here, and this is my domain name, and registered with the GoDaddy.com. And go ahead and add it here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and it's gonna give me two options for the record, either the TXT or an MX record. So I'm selecting a text record, as you can see here, and we're gonna add those records in the in the domain area for the Alpha Sky Tech in here. So we're gonna select a new record here, and we're gonna select as a text because that's a text as I mentioned to you. And the symbols, you're gonna add the add symbols, as you can see here. And for the value, we're gonna select the value as shown here, or copy and do either or, and go ahead and paste it here. And then for TTL, we call it time to live is 3600 milliseconds. I believe that's what is indicated too. We don't have anything in such in here. We're gonna go with the custom, and then we're gonna add it here, and then we're gonna save the record. And it happened that I have a multi-factor authentications on my account. Of course, this is for the security purpose. I'm gonna probably pause and do the multi-factor and go back again to you guys. Okay, the multi-factor authentication was processed and the text been added here successfully, as you can see, and it's here. So for the Microsoft sites, we're gonna go ahead and do the verification. And as you can see, we successfully verified domain alphaskytag.com for use within the default directory. If you go here and we do couple refresh, and it's gonna supposedly come up with the green check mark and it says verified. That's all what I have in a nutshell, friends. For now, as you can see, I did the verification and adding my own custom websites that I have built on Alpha Sky Tech. Used to be Alpha Sky Technology, which I added in, it's in YouTube channels also, which I added in the Microsoft right now, and it's been verified. in here with the DNS record. Um, this is what I have for now. Please stay tuned for more videos as I'm gonna go with the building up the entire VMs and the server and connecting the server after that to the Azure Active Directory, and then also setting up a proper licenses for you, and I will show that to you within the next videos here. So as usual, friends, if you like what you see, I appreciate that, and I appreciate your subscribes. That will help the channels. And also stay tuned for more questionnaires that I have that I already mentioned to you guys. I have passed the 102 exam, and I will add them questions that I remember from that. But for now, for the Azure Virtual Desktop, this is the first video, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you, and have a great day. And always, your subscribes are appreciated. Thank you.